Here is our problem. We have some straws which were arranged in parallel. Due to the movement of air, their arrangement got disturbed. And this is how the straws look after their arrangement got disturbed. But important thing to watch out here is that the angles which are given here are those angles which were made between the straws before air disturbed them. So these measures are the previous measures. We have to identify those straws here which were arranged in parallel before the air disturbed their arrangement. Through this example, we aim to learn properties of the angles formed in a pair of parallel lines. We can number the straws here. We can call this as straw 1, this as straw 2, this as straw 3, and the yellow one as straw 4. Also, we can name the points. This is point A, this is point B, this is point C, this is point D, this as point E, this as point F, this as point G, and this as point H. Out of these 4 straws here, anyone can be considered as a transversal. For example, if we are taking straw 1 and straw 4 as a pair of lines, then straw 2 and straw 3 can be considered as the transversal. And if we are taking straw 2 and straw 3 as the pair of lines, then straw 4 and straw 1 can be taken as the transversal. We know that when a pair of parallel lines is intersected by a transversal, pairs of corresponding and alternate angles are equal. Let's now discuss the approach to solve this problem. We can see that this angle, that is angle EBC, is 102 degrees, and this angle is equal to this angle, that is angle BCD, which is also 102 degrees. So we can write angle EBC is equal to angle BCD, each equal to 102 degrees. So if we consider straw 2 and straw 3 as pair of lines and straw 1 as the transversal, we can see that alternate interior angles are equal. And when alternate interior angles are equal, by the converse of alternate interior angle theorem, we can say that straw 2 and straw 3 were parallel. So by converse of alternate interior angles, straw 2 parallel to straw 3, and this was the case before air disturbed the arrangement. Straw 2 was parallel to straw 3. Now let's take straw 4 and straw 1 as a pair of lines and straw 3 as the transversal. And had straw 4 and straw 1 been parallel, then this angle, if this is 102 degrees, then this angle should also have been 102 degrees as they form the corresponding angles. And had this been 102, this angle forms a linear pair with this angle, then this angle should have been 78 degrees. But we can see that this angle was not 78 degrees, it was 102 degrees. That means straw 4 was not parallel to straw 1 before the wind disturbed the arrangement. So straw 4 was not parallel to straw 1. Let's summarize what we have learnt in this problem. We solved the problem using pairs of lines and transversal. In the problem, from the given data, we found a pair of alternate interior angles as equal. That means this angle and this angle. And based on this, we said that straw 2 was parallel to straw 3. We applied the converse of alternate angle theorem, which states that if any pair of alternate interior angles is equal, then the pair of lines is parallel. So by using the converse of alternate angle theorem, we proved that straw 2 was parallel to straw 3.